I'm replacing the seal on a Kohler toilet with a canister style flush valve. I picked up the Corky replacement seals. This has two seals for 3-inch flush valves. One is for American Standard, the other is for Kohler. The Kohler seal has a tab on it. Turn off the shutoff valve to the toilet. You'll turn it clockwise to turn it off. Lift up on the canister to drain the water, and then you're going to remove the chain from the handle. Remove your fill tube from the flush valve. You're just going to pull it straight up and out. Turn the center of the flush valve counterclockwise and pull out the canister. Pull out the old seal. Insert the new seal into the bottom groove. You want to make sure it's completely in that groove and it's flat. You want to make sure that it's not cupped so that it gets a proper seal. And you can kind of work your fingers all the way around. The bottom of the canister fits into an opening on the flush valve, and you'll turn it clockwise to tighten it. Replace your fill tube and connect your chain to the handle. Now you can turn your water back on.